Good morning, students. Welcome back to today class. The last class we saw about Phillips from the first lesson, and the today class we are going to see about the first lesson fourth Ramlata question answer. And the first question is, what is excavation? Excavation. What is excavation? The answer is excavation is a process. Excavation is a process in which people dig the earth to find things that were used long ago. So excavation means it is a one of a process digging the earth. So why they were digging the earth? So at the time only the archaeologist people, they were found so many things that the things they were used long ago. That the things they were used our ancient people. So this is called excavation. And the second question, who is an archaeologist? Who is an archaeologist? Archaeologist is one of a person. So what is the work of that person? So archaeologists study the history of humans and places through excavation and artifacts. Archaeologist means is a study of the history of humans. So this person studying about our past people, life history and places where they were lived. So where they were lived, so how they were found. So they found through excavation. Excavation means city or things and artifacts. Artifacts means artifact means during the excavation the archaeologist found so many things that is called artifacts. So archaeologist means study the history of humans and places through excavation, place and artifacts. This is called archaeologist. Okay, third question, write a short note on pyramids. Write a short note on pyramids. So how it looks? So it looks a triangle in shape. The pyramids of, so where it is located, the pyramids are located in the place of Egypt, the pyramids of Egypt. So what is the use of this pyramid? It was found that the small pyramids, so long pyramids and short pyramids also located in the place of Egypt, and the small pyramids are explain about the queens. So the small pyramids were made for the queens, and the pyramids, the another information, the pyramids gave the information about the average height and age of the people. So in the pyramid we can see lot of skeletons அப்படினா எலும்பு கூடுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். So there are lot of skeletons also found in the place of Egypt. So the pyramids gave information about the average height and age of the people, past people. Okay, fourth question, what are the artifacts that were found in Adichanallur? What are the artifacts that were found in Adichanallur? Adichanallur is one of a place, excavated place. So in the place, what are the things they were found? Archaeologist people, what are the things they were found in these places? Potteries, different kinds of potteries and arrows. So what is the use of arrow? So it is used to kill the animals during the past time. So arrows and stone beads and gold ornaments also found in the place of Adichanallur. Okay, for fifth question, where is Keeladi located? The Keeladi also one of a excavated place. So Keeladi also one of the excavated place. The Keeladi is an archaeological site. So archaeologist site or place, and it is located. So in this question what they are asking, where is Keeladi located? So the Keeladi is located in Shivagangai district. So Keeladi is located Shivagangai, Shivagangai district. So dear student, learn this first 4 question and write one time. Learn this first 5 question and write one time in your homework note. Thank you.